Here at a dam on some creek, I don't know what it is. They got an old mine up the hill there. I guess they built this dam for some reason or another. We had about, I don't know, I guess maybe an 1/8 inch of rain. Little tiny bit. It's flowing nice. Then they got this little diversion thing. We got all this going over here. Pretty cool. Love to see water in the desert. I never knew about this dam. This is pretty neat. It's pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear it on the video. Some pipe, I guess that's a drain. Must be a valve up in there somewhere.